This time we stayed at Encore's Sunshine Travel RV Resort. It's north of Vero Beach on I-95 and Route 512. They have 291 sites. It's very close to beaches and shopping, and the resort is well maintained. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. They have easy access to get to the park from the highway. They do have some spots that you can pull into if you have to wait overnight for a site. The staff there is very friendly and helpful. This is just a nice park. Not very spacious, but it's very nice. The elite pull-throughs are $91 a night. The premium sites, which are close to the pool, our back ends, are $82 a night. And standard sites, which is most of them, are $77 a night. And of course, we have our 1,000 Trails membership, which includes the Encore sites, so we didn't have to pay anything. So here we are. So we've got this grass strip, and we've got the patio area. And we are in the shade here, which is nice for sun direction. And our tote, we kept it off the grass here. Have a few pull-throughs, but they're not part of 1,000 Trails, but you could get pull-through. Some of them are pretty long. Here is the clubhouse. And there's your clubhouse, but it's not really being used. You got free Wi-Fi up here. Now they obviously have propane here. And on this end are the restrooms and showers. Oh, this looks new. New tile. And then across the way are individual shower rooms. And then one big handicap shower room. They said the water lasts forever, and it's got great pressure, and he really likes their bathhouse here. On the other end of the clubhouse is extra long parking, so Leroy fit in there. And they have the card system in here. So it's very nice. So they use the CSC card system. It's $1.75, I think, to wash, and like $2 a drive. And behind the clubhouse, they have shuffleboard. And I believe at this point with COVID, if you have your own equipment, you can come out and play as long as you do the social distancing thing. This is actually a bocce ball court next to the shuffleboard. And then there's your miniature golf. It's all in pretty good condition. Then they got a little sitting area out here with a big umbrella. You do have to watch for the fire ants around here and spray your site. And just curious to see what this is about. Looks like they have a big fire pit here. This has been a donated item. And then there's your horseshoes. And they go on over here, so horseshoes must be pretty popular. And again, there's your putt-putt with a little bridge. A couple bridges. Pool, nice palm trees. Got a shaded area you can sit. How is it, Dave? Thing that we do like about their lawn chairs is they're extra tall. Easy to get in and out of. Outside the park is I-95. There's a McDonald's, a Dairy Queen. When you come in the entrance, the office is right there. Just pull in where these people are and get your paperwork. They'll give you a big green thing to hang from your mirror, the map, and other information you need. There's the office. Also, you can have mail brought here, packages that is. Extra parking up here. It's gated, but it always seems to be up during the day. And they give you a card. It automatically opens up to go out, but when at nighttime, I guess you need to use the card
to come in.
They have it to come in. They have a welcome board here that tells you information that what's going on. It's pretty much just parallel roads. This park has 30-50 amp water, sewer hookups. Nice pool, which seems to be somewhat heated. It wasn't real cold. Quite a few spaces open. Of course, 1,000 trails, you don't have choice of what site you go to. The roads are pretty wide, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
They have a dog walk all around the exterior of the park, and periodically you'll see where they have the bags for your pickup.
Dog poop.
Yeah, dog poop. There's a lot of...
Walk along here and watch the dog get grabbed by a gator.
Yeah. They've got quite a few park models here. We met some people at the pool, their annuals.
Oh, there's a pump station.
Oh, just missed the dump station. Okay.
Drinking water.
Let's go up and down a few of the streets, kind of get a flavor for it. Free Wi-Fi at the clubhouse. Yeah, let's try it from in here. The only thing that we don't like about this place, well, it'd be nice if they had longer sites because we couldn't keep Leroy with us, or be wider. They're pretty narrow, but at least your awnings don't touch the person next door. And you do have a grassy area. Is the sites for 1,000 Trails are basically along the highway, so we have a ton of road noise. As soon as you get to the pool area, you really don't notice it, but the road is very loud where we're at. They have shopping around here, close around here too. There's a Tractor Supply, there's Walmart. It's not very far. Publix, and they get some great seafood restaurants down on US 1.
A1A.
No, A1A was, there weren't restaurants on A1A, it was US 1. We had to come back,
yeah,
remember?
That's right.
We ate at Squid Lips, and very good. But there's other restaurants out there really good too. There's quite a few trees in here. We have shade where we're at. I like the palm trees, they're my favorite. And the weather, it's November, end of November, and the weather has been 80 degrees, not very humid, just beautiful. Nighttime, great for sleeping. Some of them, they all seem to have the concrete pad. And then some of them have concrete pads with a patio, which we do. And you can see that Zippy barely fits in here. We're heading across the bridge to take a ride down A1A in Vero Beach. This is along Indian River Drive, parallel to US 1, off by Sebastian, which is near Vero Beach. Very pretty along here.
Indian River, right there. Right on the ocean.
There are all kinds of restaurants along here. Talking with some of the locals, they said that pretty much all these restaurants are good down here. So this is Krabby Bill's and the Crab Stop. And our destination is, for the second time, because we liked it so much, Squid Lips. And it's out there in the water. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.